Break ID number 2879. 2017 Chronicles Baseball 1-box break. There's the alphabetical list. Go. Daniel W.O. with a free spot. Bellinger rookie parallel. Spectra. Oh boy. Oh wow. Look at that craziness. Are you serious? See what that says? 1 of 1. Look at those patches. Holy cow. Triple disgustingness. 1 of 1. Spectra triple patch. Baltimore. Robert S.I. 1 of 1. Look at those things. Man. Now that is Spectra. $4.99 a spot. These were. Yeah, almost always are. We blow through this stuff. There's another one up there. But man. We're still looking for all 3 autos. That's another reason why this stuff is so popular. $4.99 a spot. 3 autos a box. They're all in the second half, it looks like. Here's one. Oh, I like this one. This guy's a superstar in the outfield. Jonathan VR. Oh. Brewers. Daniel W.O. Hey, Robert. Here's another one. Brock Stewart. Blue parallel to 99. Dodgers, Robert S.I. Chad Pinder, gold parallel to 99. Oakland, Robert S.I. Robert with a pretty good break. Last pack. The next one of these is down to 7. All right.